Have you been following the recent Galgotias University controversy at the India AI Summit? Uh, in the Summit 2026, Galgotias University representative displayed a robotic dog called Orion and described it as a product developed by the university's own research center. The robot was quickly identified by viewers and journalists as a Unitree CO2, which is a commercially viable Chinese-made robot widely used for research and teaching, with not something the university had built. And the episode highlights a very important lesson that universities elsewhere, not just in India, can learn. I would point out five. Number one, academic integrity and transparency matters. Accurate attribution of work is foundational in research and education. We have been talking about plagiarism, but when we talk about it, we just talk about in-text citations and references. And plagiarism is beyond that. It's about misrepresenting intellectual labor. Universities must ensure all claims about research and innovation are verified and clearly supported by evidence. Number two is internal communications need strong governance. This incident shows how quickly misinformation can spread when faculty or staff speak publicly without adequate briefing or oversight. Academic institutions should prepare clear media guidelines, designate trained spokesperson, review any public claims about technology or research before they are shared. Number three is high visibility events require rigorous preparation. Obviously, major conferences and summits are opportunities to showcase research, but they also raise risk if details are not accurate. Before participating in public forums, institutions can conduct dry runs of presentations, clarify exactly what has been developed versus what is being demonstrated for learning purposes, or share background info with event organizers. Number four, lesson is the reputational risk management is vital. So, in a world where videos and social media spread instantly, reputational harm can snowball fast. Academia increasingly needs institutional strategies to monitor public response, respond quickly and transparently to miscommunications, and learn from errors rather than simply defending them. And number five is research culture must balance tools versus outcomes. There's nothing wrong with using global tools or commercial products as learning platforms, but universities should be clear when technology is used as a teaching tool, used as a part of a project, and created or developed in house. This differentiation is very important because distinguishing this publicly prevents misunderstandings and preserves trust between academia, industry, and the public. This incident is a reminder that how research and innovation are communicated is as important as what is being done. Stronger internal checks, media literacy for academic staffs, and institutional accountability frameworks can help prevent future embarrassments and strengthen the role of universities as trusted sources of knowledge.